Welcome back to Genomics Genesis. Ever wondered how scientists organize millions of living things on Earth? In this video, we'll explore the taxonomical hierarchy. It is nothing but a step-by-step classification system used in biology. So, without any further delay, let's get started. We'll be discussing the taxonomical hierarchies in details. Before we start discussing the taxonomical hierarchies in details, we need to know what is a taxonomical hierarchy. Taxonomical hierarchy is nothing but a way to group organisms into categories based on the similarities and relationships. It helps us to organize and understand the diversity of life. Each level or rank is called as a taxon, and the system is hierarchical, meaning each group fits inside the next larger group. The largest and the broadest group is the kingdom. All living things fit into these 5 to 6 kingdoms. They are Animalia, Plantae, Fungi, Protista, Monera, and sometimes Archaea. This level is based on basic cell structure, how organisms get food, and how they reproduce. Next is phylum for animals and division for plants. The level groups organisms by their body structure and development. For example, in Animalia, chordata includes all vertebrates and arthropoda includes insects and crustaceans. In Plantae, Magnoliophyta are flowering plants and Pinophyta are conifers. Class. Class is the next level. It groups organisms based on morphology and physiology. In animals, Mammalia includes all mammals, apes includes birds. In plants, Dicotyledonea consists of dicot plants and Monocotyledonea consists of monocot plants. Order. Order is a smaller group within a class. It is based on evolutionary relationships. Example: in animals, Carnivora includes carnivorous mammals like cats and dogs. In plants, fables include legumes. Other examples are passeriforms, that is, poaching birds, and rosal, consists of roses and apples. Family. Family is a group of closely related genera. In animals, Felidae includes all cats, Canidae includes dogs and wolves. In plants, Fabaceae is the legume family, Rosacea is the rose family. Genus. Genus is a group of closely related species. For example, Panthera includes lions, tigers, and leopards, and Pisum is the genus for peace. Species. Species is the smallest and the most specific group. It includes organisms that can interbreed and produce fertile offspring. Example: Panthera leo, that is lion; Homo sapiens, that is human beings. To sum up, taxonomical hierarchy helps us to organize all living things, be it from the broadest kingdom to the most specific species. Knowing the system